Welcome everybody to Australia Towbars Performance. I'd like to introduce this beautiful 2020 Volkswagen T-Roc R-Line. This gentleman called us up. He wanted to get a tow bar fitted to his vehicle. Volkswagen themselves at the moment do not carry a tow bar for the T-Roc. We were able to supply him a Brink European invisible detachable tow bar. Now at the back here, this beautiful tow bar seamlessly fits with this vehicle. As you can see here, T-Rocs come with this little cover flap that you take out, install the tow bar, gives you a nice clean finish out the back, easily detachable by a turn with this knob, and the dedicated wiring kit, coated, wired, and good to go. Wiring kit, again guys, automatically shuts off those reversing sensors, works with your ABS and gearbox function and trailer stability control along with your other vehicle modules. Now, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our friendly team, as we are very happy to help. We do appreciate you guys watching this video and contacting us. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.